going to start. Okay? So, before we do anything with our sailboat, I just want to refresh our memories about weather. Who can name something we've learned about weather? A type of weather or how we measure weather? With a quiet here. Hurrah.
Measure wind, what's up in the thermometer,
Just say one thing for me. So, Hurrah shared that we measure wind with an anemometer. And remember, it tells us the direction it goes and how fast it's going. So we looked at that the other day. So wind is one kind of weather. What's another kind of weather? Karen?
Here, I'll tell you what's snow and rain.
Okay. What are we using to measure the rain and the snow that comes down? A thermometer is to measure something different.
I mean a rain gauge.
A rain gauge. And we'll check on that later since it rained yesterday a lot too. So we talked about the anemometer to measure wind, the rain gauge to measure the rain and snow coming, and what else, Paula?
This one is thermometer. We have to do one paper
Miss Diane.
to measure.
Yes, what measures how cold or warm it is?
Think about it.
What did we use to measure how cold or warm the water is? Yes, a thermometer. And that measures the temperature, which tells us how cold or warm it is. Okay, so now we are going to move on to our sailboats. You guys made your sailboat, and now we're going to do an experiment to figure out to move the sailboat from one end of the water to the other end of the water. Okay? So I want you right now to think of a way that you can move your boat across the water. When you have a way, raise your hand. When you have an idea of something you can do to move it across. Because we're not going to touch it and drag it across. We're going to use a different sort of way. Paula, what idea do you have?
Like straws.
Okay, so you see I have some straws here. What would you do with the straw? Blow into it. Okay. Taryn, have a seat. If you have an idea, raise your hand. Lily, what do you think?
Or you could blow into the bubble, and then it would be like a motor and pulling it across because the bubbles are making waves to push it because it's going out of the water.
Okay. So Tala said you could use a straw and blow into the air to make wind to sail your boat across. Lily, you're thinking you could blow the straw into the water to create bubbles?
Yeah, and it would push it forward.
To push it
I was
forward.
thinking of that.
Okay. Hurrah, what's your idea?
There's nothing in the What?
Did you have the same idea as someone else? Okay. Cameron, do you have a different idea? Do you have the same idea as someone else? Do you have an idea of maybe another way we could create wind? So we can use a straw to blow on it. What else? How else could we use it? Wait, your turn.
Blow it on this mouth.
Oh, so you could just use your mouth and blow on your boat. You could do that and create wind. Taryn. Oh, did you hear Taryn's idea? Say it again. Oh, to make like a fan with your arms to move it across? You know what I have here that we could use?
Paper.
We could use this folder to create wind like that. Is that what you're thinking? Okay. So instead of using our hands, you can use the fan to create wind to move it across. Does anyone have, Hurrah, you have another idea? Hold on. Wait. I need everyone to freeze and sit on their bottom. We're going to sail over our boats in just a minute. Oh, so you thought us to have like a real fan that you plug in to turn it on and create wind. You could do that. We don't have that here, so if you would like to use a fan to sail your boat, you're going to use the folder to create a fan. Okay? Okay. Well, let's just wait and see. So I want you, so we've talked about creating like a motor with the straw and bubbles, blowing into the straw to create the wind, using your mouth to create wind, or using a fan to create wind? I want you to think in your head how you want to sail your boat across the water. When you know the way you want to sail your boat across the water, show me a thumbs up. Okay. Karen, how would you like to sail your boat across the water?
Bubble. I think so.
Or do you want to try the fan since you thought that was your idea?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here, hold on, let me get your boat in the water. You're going to try to sail it from this end to that end using wind.
Whoa.
Alright! You got it all the way across? Nice job.
I noticed
Cameron.
that when you
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's making the water go get blue.
More like the ocean, huh? It's just from the daubers that we use. Taryn, put it down. Okay. Okay. So Cameron is going to use a straw. So let's see what happens when he uses a straw. The other thing. All right. Nice job.
And water blue.
Okay. The other thing, before we move on, what I want, you can hold on to that. What I want you to notice. Okay. Nope. Red group. Eyes and ears on me. The other thing I want you to notice is your sail. Everyone made a different type of sail, whether it was a different shape or a different size. So I want you to try to notice which boats sail the best across the water.
I think mine's good.
Well, let's wait and see everyone. Okay, what shape sail the best? Hurrah, how would you like to move your boat across the water? It's okay. It'll be alright. Would you like to use the straw, your mouth, or the fan?
You could use camera.
Okay. Here, why don't you come around to this side? Here, you hand it to her. Okay. There it goes. Alright. Alright. Lily, how would you like to move your boat across the water? Okay. Alright, how are you going to do it? Okay. When you do that, don't blow very hard, because then it will splash up at your face. Just blow light. Okay? Let's see how Lily's idea works out. There it goes. You know what? That's what we were kind of thinking. So what do you think about your sail?
I think the heart made it heavier.
Yeah, it made it heavier, so it fell down.
I think if it went to the side, it would go.
So maybe like a lighter weight sail would work best. Think about like a real sail. Okay, Taryn, keep it here. We'll get another chance in just a minute. Put it on the table. It's Tala's turn. Tala, how would you like to do it? Hey, Taryn. Follow the group.
I got it in my mouth.
Okay. Put it on the table, please. Alright, Tala, you're going to do the same thing Lily did?
I can't do make it by myself.
There you go.
I can't do this all by myself. It's true.
There it goes. Alright, we made it across. Nice job.
It's better because she put
Alright.
on it.
Okay, go throw these away. Alright, you can have another chance to use a different way to move your boat from one end to another. Hold on. You're only going to have one more try. But I want to tell you first. I need you to be listening though. Today, after library, we are going to create a chart on the way that worked best for you to move your boat across the water. Okay, so keep that. Karen, what's the second way you would like to move your boat? Well, because we're just going around. Karen,
I'm sorry.
how would you like to move your boat across the water? The fan?
Yeah.
Okay.
That works best.
You think so? All right, go ahead and try it. Paula, back away.
Oh, stop going.
Your chair. You're not following the group. Here, I'm going to hang on to this too, okay? Just so Hurrah can have her turn to face Go ahead. Oh, you can't reach. You can go around to that side. So Hurrah had kind of the same, go ahead and get a paper towel. The same problem that Lily did with her sail was kind of heavy. Lily, how would you like to do it the second time? Okay, let's see if maybe that will work better for your... Alright, ready? Karen.